All right, so we are back for more learning time. And yes, it's the same thing as yesterday. It is still the surface area of a rectangular prism because we need extra practice on this because it was difficult in school. And I'm betting that now that we're reviewing, it's still a little difficult for some. When we did this yesterday, I told you to focus on one certain area, and we're still going to do that. I want you to, some of you made a mistake of not doing the last step. So let's make sure we're paying attention for the full video and watching for that last step. Okay, I have my rectangular prism here. Ooh, those are terrible numbers. Let me make those a little bigger. We got 7, 10, and 3. Okay, my rectangular prism. Yes, it is a prism because there is a rectangle here, and then there's a rectangle in the back. It is two flat surfaces. If it comes to a point, that makes it a pyramid. This is not a pyramid, this is a prism. So, what I told you yesterday was to, let's see if purple is, was to focus right in on that corner. That corner is very important because when I make my little setup here, I'm literally going to look at the numbers that are attached. This is just a blown up version of that. But I changed it up today. I made it so that these lines don't have any measurements. It's not as easy as yesterday. So we have to find those measurements. Now, the top of my rectangle. There is no measurement, but the top of my rectangle is going to match, there we go, the bottom of my rectangle. The top will match the bottom. And if the bottom is 3, then the top is 3. And if the top is 3, this line, let's shorten it up some, is 3. Now, going back, the width, if you want to call it, the width of my rectangular prism. This line right here, same thing, there is no measurement this time. But if this is 7, then, oh, sorry, I gave it away. If this is unknown, we should just look over and you'll see 7. So if this is 7, this is 7. So this line right here will be 7. Very good. That's a terrible 7. Better 7. Now, this line right here, which is equal to this line here, say this and that, there is no measurement here. There is no measurement here, there's no measurement here, but there is a measurement right here. And this will be the same as this. Yeah. So if this is 10, this is also 10. And now we've made our Y. We've made our triangle. Okay, so multiply all the numbers in there. 3 times 10, 30. 7 times 10, 70. And lastly, 7 times 3, 21. That's well, I would say setting it up is the first step. Second step is multiplying all the numbers. Third step is to add all the numbers you just found. So let's do 70 plus 30. That's easy, that's 100. This one should also be easy because I made it easy. 70 plus 30 is 100. Now we're going to add that other number, 21. 100 plus 21, 121. Now be careful. There are some of you yesterday who put this as your answer. This is not your answer. This is the surface area for the 3 sides that we can see. Now I made a little model. It's not very good, but I made a little model. Okay? Let's imagine this is exactly what I'm showing you. Okay? And 121 is this side, and this side. But there's not just 3 sides. Okay? I'm going to turn my model. There's a whole other 3 sides. There's a whole other 3 sides. There's this side, that side, and this side. So, your last step is that you need to multiply it by 2. Okay? And 121, 1 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 1 is 2. Your final answer this time will be 242. Okay? Make sure you are multiplying your last step. From the work I got yesterday, everybody seemed to do a really good job. We just need to make sure that a handful of you are doing that final step of multiplying by 2. I think seeing this little section pop out here is a great way of understanding how to do the triangle method. All right, guys. Tomorrow we will move on. I don't know what it is. Let me see. Sorry, I know this is great television watching me pull up my plans. And we are now on day. Tomorrow we will start the worksheet for day 24, which is volume. Much easier, but I'm still going to do a 2-day thing. So that Friday we have a quiz. Friday I'll have a quiz. Don't forget, parent-teacher conferences. You go to Dojo, go to class story, scroll down about 3 or 4 posts, and it should be there. All right, Stingrays, I'm out.